Regulation is really by far the biggest theme I'm hearing about from investors and executives in crypto right now. They argue it's key for prices. It ensures some of the big Wall Street players keep entering the space. It would also help avoid more high-profile blowups like we've seen this year. And it makes sure entrepreneurs are still going to build here in the U.S. There is some tension, though, here in Washington over who should regulate crypto. The industry wants the CFTC over the SEC, and SEC Chair Gary Gensler has been a little less open to adapting existing laws for crypto. The CFTC chairman at D.C. FinTech Week yesterday, though, pretty much saying the opposite.
We're going to have to adapt, right? Like, there's no doubt about it. This is not a very, like, in-the-box moment where everything is clear and perfect. This technology is very different. It's very new, and all agencies are going to have to adapt the current structure we have because, if not built decades ago, we are moving in an evolutionary time.
Time is running out for a crypto bill to pass with the midterms coming up. The Blockchain Association, a lobbying group here in D.C., says the Digital Commodity Consumer Protection Act has the best shot right now of getting a vote. Another avenue we might see for some clarity is the U.S. court system. This morning, Grayscale filed an opening brief in its lawsuit against the SEC. You can see multiple lawsuits against the SEC there. These legal decisions, guys, could set some new statutes and therefore set some of those guardrails the industry is looking for. Sheila Warren of the Crypto Council for Innovation, though, tells me there is a risk that the court system front runs any of that lawmaking we talked about. In the meantime, companies may see the space as too risky to operate in. Back to you.
Kate, in a much broader sense, I wonder, what do you think has happened to the discussion around regulation and where lawmakers stand over the crypto winter? I mean, has there been more willingness, you think, as crypto prices and some of the, riskiest stuff gets flushed out of the system? Or is that more impetus to sort of crack down on crypto?
That's a great point, Deirdre. That's been one of the big topics this week at that conference I mentioned, D.C. FinTech Week. The question over, has this helped the discussion over regulation, or has it hurt? The idea that a lot of these companies went bankrupt. The argument from the industry is that you would rather, as a regulator, have some of these companies, hedge funds in some cases, operate within the U.S. regulatory structure and therefore have more oversight than have them operate. They've called these potential regulatory gaps or regulatory arbitrage. That has actually been a boon for the industry in saying, hey, guys, look at what happened here. That may have been prevented had we had some more guardrails and regulation. So it seems like that has actually been a big talking point for the industry, although it was a big black eye in the industry at the same time. We saw billions of dollars wiped out of the market.
Yeah, certainly two sides of it. Did it self-regulate? I don't know. I guess we won't know for years to come. Kate Rooney, thanks very much from D.C.
Thanks, G.